Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome to my Wednesday video. And if you've been following my channel, you know that my Wednesday video is always random. It can be a vlog, it can be a tutorial, it can be a challenge. And today's video, I'll be talking about the terms bite. Alright, the terms bite in b-boy means you are copying somebody's move and use it into your own. And some people call that biter, biting, whichever you will call that. And before we get deep into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. A few days ago, I scrolling, and I saw a comment in my old videos. Actually, it's quite a long time ago, and the comment said that I'm a biter, and I tag somebody, some b-boys move, and I'm teaching in my tutorial. Again, no offense with the guy, I always respect with opinion and all the comments in my video, because I think everyone deserves and have the right to say what they want to say. But the reason I brought this up is because the bite always kind of frustrate me, because until now, I've been b-boying since 2006 and now it's 2018. I still don't have the solid answer of what biting is all about. People say bite is where you are copying somebody's move and you are a biter. That's why you can see all the sign like this. Even though some people don't just start a b-boy and don't know what is this, but they're just doing it. Because I have the experience once when I'm battling. And the guy that I battle doesn't do anything like this, he's cool. But his friend, I can see his friend from the start. I throw him around until the end. He keep doing this. He's like, I don't understand why he's doing this. Maybe he thinks I'm biter or what. But after that, he other friends is battling, and I saw him. He's keep doing this. So the question that came into my mind is the guy know what is bite really means? Because the guy that he doing this, and I saw live, he's not actually biting or anything. He doing some cool stuff, but he's not biting. But the opponent friend keep doing this. Like when I batting, his friend also is keep doing this. So I don't know whether he understand what bite. What is bite, what is not bite, and then a lot of people in the world now in b-boying, you can see a lot of people start doing this. And actually, if you watch b-boy battle, the most heated time when b-boys start getting heated with each other is when one of them is doing this thing. I know there are other reasons also, but when I'm watching b-boy, most of the time when his opponent doing this, they kind of get hit up. So if we break down the bite, okay, the terms bite, you are copying somebody's move and using to your own, then I can say that every b-boy in the world is a biter, period. For let's say 6 steps, everyone doing 6 steps. And there must be one guy who created the 6 step, and now we are taking the 6 step and we're using it. Okay, 3 step, 7 step, 1 step. So we are biter, all of us. And somebody can come in here and sit and give us an argument. No, it's a basic. That's a basic. You can't compare basic to biting. Actually, I don't really buy the opinion, but let's give us another example. I give you another example, okay? All right, if footwork doesn't consider bite, then I give you another example. What about the real one-handed air flare? Is that a bite? I don't know. You tell me, okay? Because I'm not saying I'm right, but if I remember correctly, the first guy who did the one-handed air flare is either B-Boy Punisher or Bboy Chico. I can't remember. Okay, but if you know, just let me know in the comment section below. So after that, a lot of famous B-boy using the real 100 air flare. Are they biting? If you use the term that I told you guys earlier, then it's a bite. Of course it's a bite, right? You're copying somebody's move and using to earn. Not only real 100 air flare. Again, what I told you guys in this video is I just try to scale it down, because if I put all of this out, I think this video will be very, very long. Okay, so I just give you two examples. The first one, the footwork that I just told you guys, and now the real 100 air flare. If you want to see more, then windmill, flare, air flare, always a bite, right? It's a bite, because already someone actually doing it. So the way I look at bite is when you are copying the same set of the B-boy. I give an example. Okay, we use, like, for example, B-boy Hong Ten. You can see when he do the, what's it called, the jumping hello freeze, and then he will go to the Hong Ten freeze and then air chair. Okay, so if you do exactly what he did on his set, then you are a biter. But if you're doing Hong Ten freeze jump, okay, and then you continue to handstand, hand hop, air chair, then you are not biting. So sometimes we need to be careful with what we're saying about bite, because there's just too much opinion about biting, and if we're not careful, we can be offend a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? So especially when you're battling, you know, you shouldn't just go out there and throw this kind of sign. Sometimes it's kind of disrespect for me, I think, because I would throw that sign if that guy is really doing the whole set, or the same set like a certain B-boy. Okay, so that is biting. But if just using one or two of the move, then it's not a biter. Okay, sorry for the nagging, and you know, I just want to throw this out there so that me and you guys can have a conversation, and I want to know what you guys think about biting. You know, leave it in the comment section below. Okay, just type it, what do you think about biting, because you know, like I said earlier, I'm making this video is not to a certain people. No, I don't want to offend anyone, you know. I just want to take this out and see what you guys think about it. And if I do offend anyone, then maybe you are a biter. Probably, I don't know. Okay, so that's it for this video. Subscribe, give thumbs up, share it, and I will see you guys next time.